Now, while solving the problems in physics, shortcut methods, which I'm going to already students knows, new joiners, where it might be. So already I said you must have to know, even though if you don't know also, you please try to learn it. It is not a matter of fact to learn 1 month or 2 months. Just 2-3 days if you are going to go to the tables, it is easy to get it because you are already the 11th and 12th also completed. So up to 20 table you have to know, squares you have to know, squares up to 30, cubes up to 10 is enough because I seen all what are the problems are going to go, what type of calculations are there in our JEE main and NEET. I am telling you, JEE main, NEET, any entrance examination after intermediate, these values of calculated values, if you know that, then you are going to get the calculation easy. Understanding? Now, so now, I already said the values to ratio values you have to remember. I'll give a few ratio values. What are the ratio values? P by Q form is the ratio value, or A by B, whatever it is might be. P by Q or A by B form. So 1 by 2 value, 1 by 2 value all of you know that is 0.5, and 1 by 3 I am repeatedly writing, no problem, 0.33 bar, you can put a bar, 33 is enough. Okay, now third one is 1 by 5, 0.2. If you know direct, otherwise I do calculation and do means it is too late for to do the problems. So 1 by 5 means immediately 0.2. No sir, I'll do 1 by 5 like this, 0 decimalus, sunna like this. It is not the correct way to entrance examination of this one. So why do that? No, 1 by 5. Now fourth one, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 0.25, immediately you have to write, and 2 by 4 0.5, 2 by 4 is 0.5. Next 3 by 4 0.75. Now 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 is 0.1.25, and 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means I will do the calculation. No. So 8 can be written as 4 2s are 4 into 2, 1 by 4 is 0.25 into 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. So 25 5 is 125, that is 0.125 immediately out to get. So it should be not there in our answer. That what to do, we call standard form. Standard form is nothing but, so it should be the what you call power coefficient should be less than 10, more than 1. So that is 1.2. So I have to write in a standard form. We call your write standard form means 1.25 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Okay, why you should have to write? This is called a standard form, right? If anybody writes standard form, standard form is supposed to be x into 10 to the power of some n number, plus or minus, that is okay. This x should be greater than, x is greater than 1 and less than 10. That is the way, that is the standard form. So that is that the 10 to the power of that coefficient will be x, or that value should be, or that factor will be greater than 1, less than 10. You have to write this one. Okay, this is called standard form. Generally, so nowadays the rules they are wiping in answers. Actually, they are doing standard form. So they say standard form, 100% of rules standard form only. But sometimes they are releasing that standard form. Simply they are writing. So 99% the value should be in standard form only. So it should not be in not a standard. But you can write this up. But generally you have to write standard form. Very good. So okay. Now once more we get is 12.5 10 to the power of minus 2. That is not a standard form, but the standard form is 1.25. Okay, sir. Next, so 1 by 16. If anybody give the answer immediately, they are able to go to the rank immediately. So any student is not able to get means, please try to get the values. 1 by 16 immediately. Deepika, can you know the 1 by 16? So 1 by 16, do you know? So the 16 can be written as, I know that. So 4 into 4. So 1 by 4 is 0.25 and another 1 by 4 is 0.25. 25 square is 625 Now 4 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, this is, but if you know directly 1 by 16 is 0.0625, or else, or otherwise you can say standard form 6.25 into 10 to the power of minus 2. That what you call to say, you are going from decimal point, you are moving 2 decimal places, means 10 to the power of minus 2. Suppose, okay, I'll get back next another form. First continue this one. So this is a standard form you have to write. Now suppose 1 by, you take any number, suppose to be, you can take 1 by 40. So 1 by 40, what to do? 1 by 4 is what? 0.25, and the denominator 1, again 10 is there. So I will put here 0. Then that is 0.025. Otherwise you have to move to the 2 decimal places, 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Like this you have to write the standard forms. Now suppose same way, suppose you are having 1 by 500 is there. So 1 by 5 value is how much? 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. You have to show in a milli or something. So that is 2.0 into 10 to the power of minus 3. You can then, if you remove this one, you can say milliampere or whatever it might be, whatever it is. Okay. Now copy up to here. No, understood? ఒక్క నిమిషం. Now we'll go to problems also, just okay na? Now okay. Now next go to, now root values, okay, on final value everybody going to say supposed to be alpha is equal to 6 into 10 to the power of, only I see only few students 10 to the power of minus 2, minus 4 into 10 to the power of minus 5 is there. Only few students only said correctly. So main thing is that whatever your competitive preparation, main important is calculation. If you are quick in calculation, then you are happy. So going on reading, but the calculation which means is the problem. Whoever might be, you may, whatever that is, I know this one, I'll do daily 4 hours, 8 hours reading. But the thing is the smart calculation. Those are being smart calculation, they are very happy in the class. They are giving answers. Once you know the concept and calculation, enough. So calculation is good, concept understanding good, then you have to do number of problems solving. That's all. So, right, I already said my students, all of you write 10 problem values and write 10 problem values and first write it on your paper notebook. After half an hour or 1 hour, try to solve the 10 problem calculation values. How much time is going to take? If you do such type of practice, then calculation will be easier. Calculation will be easier. Calculation will be easier. Okay, na? Right? Now coming to this calculation, so 10 to the power of minus. What do? You have to try to make the powers equal. But already if you know, I want to make minus 3 means here I can put minus 3. Here I have to put multiply with 1000. So that is into 1000. Otherwise I can put 60030 zeros. Okay. Now 10 to the power of 5. Now that is a 4. 6000 minus 4. 5096. 6000 minus 4 is how much? 5096. 5996, sorry, into 10 to the power of minus 5. This is the direct way of writing. Deepika, understanding ma? So this, if you want, I will explain. Okay, no problem. So I want to write the power. That means supposed to be, so 2 into 0.2 into 10 to the power of, okay, 0.25 into 10 to the power of minus 2 is there. I want to raise negative power minus 2. So if you are multiplying, dividing with the multiply and multiply, 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 square if you do, what is the value of this one? 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of 2 is 10 to the power of 0 is but 1. So it is not affected. Now I can make to this one 10 to the power of minus 4. The 10 square is 100. So 0.25 into 10 square is into 100. That means 25. 25 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Like this. That means you are adding the negative power means you have to multiply that many number of, that is a power of positive power of 10. So I am adding negative power minus 3 means I have to put 3 zeros or with multiply 1000. That language you have to understand. That's all. Okay, right? Thank you for this one. Like this, calculate if it is a plus. But most of the children, what they say, 6 minus 4, 2. Then see this answers. That is not that mistake. 6 minus 4 is 2. There is a 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 minus 5 minus 7. They are written, many students, not one. But I won't say students are, they don't know, they know it. Once they teach perfectly, they do it. So logic is what to do. Right, sir? Now, completed. Now, root values, square root values, root 1 is equal to 1.0. Root 2 is equal to, once again I can write 1.414, and 3, root 3 is equal to 1.732, and 4, root 4 is equal to 2.05, root 5 is equal to what you call 2.23, 2.2 is enough, and root 6 is equal to, this you have to know, already we calculated and by seeing number of problems, so this is enough for that. That's why up to 16 I went. Root 6 is equal to 2.4, I can take, no need of second digit, and root 7 is equal to 2.6, root 8 is equal to 2.8, so 0.2, 0.2 increasing, okay, 2.8, and root 9 all of you knows 3.0, okay sir. Understanding of next root 10 value. So can you tell Deepika root 10 value? Root 10 is equal to, this you have to know it. So already we prepared and kept over one place for the calculation purpose, easy for our student can do it. 3.2, and root 11 is equal to 3.3, and root 12 is equal to 3.4. Root 13 is equal to 3 points, small jumper, and root 14 is equal to 3.7, root 15 is equal to 3.8, and what you call root 16 is equal to 4.0. And if you remember these values, then many problems you can do easily. Wherever root comes means easy. Okay, sir. So now we'll go to the problems of shortcut problems. I will give the values. Please tell the calculated value of this one. Please take these values. Now, okay, sir. So take this value and simplify and tell the value, please. I am giving the value. Suppose x is equal to 5 minus 3 plus 1 by 2, okay, into 6.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 1 divided by 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Please tell the value, how much time we will do. 10 to the power of minus 3. This is the value. Simplify and tell the value. Minus 4. Okay. Any answer? If you are even, we are doing full calculation, but options are there, then easy, time will be saving, no need to this much time. Even now we are taking 1 minute means, while solving the problems, how ABCDs are there. By seeing that 9 point, okay, right, no need to go full calculation. See, in examination, options are there, ABCD or 1, 2, 3. By coming to the 9 point or 9.6 means, okay, leave it, no need to go for full calculation. Everywhere 10 to the power of 4 is common. Understanding? So no need to complete calculation. That type of logic we develop now, you will get out of the chances is there. At least minimum for JEE main student out of 100, 60 to 80 you will get it in physics I am telling, and what you call NEET students minimum 120 confirm. If you do like this, or you can get 140 or 160 also. Okay. Now you got same thing, right? Anybody answer? Any other answer, please? So let them to see this is the multiplication, then what you call this a 5 minus 3 is a 2. So 2, this is a what? What is the value of this one? 2 and half. 2 and half means 2 and half. That is 2.5. This is the 2.5. This value is 2.5. Now coming to here, so this is a 10 to the power of plus 3 will come. That becomes minus 4. Now 2.5 into 6.5. So first you can say, so 2.5 into 6.5. Now don't go for 5 5 is a 5 6 is a 25 5 is a 125, 25 6 is a 150, like this calculation. Now we are getting 261. Okay. Now what is the value you are getting? See here, how much? 162. How many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places are there. So now our understanding are now 16.25 into 10 to the power of minus 4 answer. Are okay? So it will take 30 seconds or 40 seconds. Other problem reading. Understanding? Next problem. I will give the values. Please try to tell the values. That's all. Only. Take this value and tell this values, please. Whatever it is, v is equal to velocity. Square root of 2 into 3.125 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 whole divided by 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31. Please simplify and give the answer, please. చూడండి మన చిన్న చిన్న క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ మిస్టేక్ ఇప్పుడు నుంచి now you do practice taking these values, then easy to get the values. Copy the problem, tell the answer. So timing also is there, 18:35. How much time? What is the answer? These are our previous problems only. NEET and JEE mean previous problems, values. Can you give the answer? That's it. Okay. Anybody answer, please?
Approximately 0.4
That is okay. 0.4 into 10 to the power of 6 plus 6 or minus 6? Plus 6. Okay. Approximate, right. Okay, my answer ma? Deepika, your answer Nana? Anybody who are there in the online class, can you tell your answer? Your answer is your rank. All of you, I am going to say openly, your answer getting your rank. But you can have to find out where we are weak in calculation. That's why I said all of students who are going to write competitive examination, so you might have to know tables up to 20. You mustn't learn tables up to 20 zigzagly, disorderly. Ask your family members or friends. You ask disorderly. You have to give the answer. 12 4s are like this. 12 5s are 16 6 are like this. So okay. Anyhow, this she got it. Now come to here. Calculation part of it. This is 3.125, 39.1. I can take this is a 3 only. This is a 3. This is a 9. 3 1s are 3. 3s are. This is a 1.6 is there. I can take 1.5, no problem. So 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. I am reducing, increasing. So that is 0.5. So 0.5 into 2. 1. Root 1 is 1 only. So 1. Okay. So see, here I am reducing, here I am increasing. I have given 5-10 paisa, I have taken 11 paisa, no problem. Like this. So if you do logic, then correct. Otherwise, we are in trouble of this one. Now powers you are taking. This is a plus 31. So that how much you are going to get? 12. So root to 12 is equal to 6. 1 into 10 to the power of 6. That's all. 4. So I don't know the answer, sir. Book answer value also same thing, sir. So 1 into 10 to the power of 6 exactly. They did the correct, but I went to the approximate. That was the correct. Understanding? Can you say yes? Right. Go to the next problem. Right. No, same way, right, couples. So you are game near small variation. Okay. Okay.
2 into 1.2.
That is okay. If you do it, then we'll get the value. If you try to do, then automatically gets. Okay. Oh, sure. No problem. Right. Right, sir. Take this problem. No. Now, this is the calculation value, that is 3.3 into 10 to the power of minus 29 into 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 34. Tell the value. All of you copy the value, then you can tell the answer.
One point five into 10 to the power of 30.
1.5,
Into 10 to the power of
30. Okay, na? So nothing is there. By seeing that immediate, what to do? So either do calculation 3 times or 3. Okay. Cancel. Now what is that? This is a 3 threes are sorry 3 twos are sorry.
3 by 2 1.2.
No, I don't understood. 3 twos are okay. 3 there. 1.5 get it. Exact 1.5 into 10 to the power of 13. That's all. By looking that you can find it immediately. So 11, 33 twos are. So 1.5 into 10 to the power of 13 answer. So unit I am not going. Just I am going to take the calculation value. That's all only. So how fast you are going to do calculation? That is the most important. Remaining once you go to the problem, you are number ones, no doubt of it. Right, sir. Now take some other problem values. Take this value. It is there in our problems. So right, take this one. So this is a question. E is equal to, that is the energy you are finding. Square root of 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. You might know which value, all of you knows. Into 3 into 10 to the power of 8 into 800 whole divided by 2 pi into 3.5 square. Give the value. Yes, ma.
name, sir.
Yes, 3 into 10 to the power of 8 only. Simplify and tell the value. Correct. This is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 only. See the calculation. All of you observe your calculation. How much time is going to take? Please now if you follow by coming May 4th, you will write happily. So let them to see here calculation part of this one. Okay, sir. Okay, good. Now this is cancelled. This will be 2. This is called 3.5 whole square. This is a 3.5 whole square, sir.
1.2.
35 square is how much?
12.2.
12.2. I take 12 only. So 3 1s are 3 4s are. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. Very good. Correct. So now what I got? 2 I got it. Now. So now take the half. This is already cancelled. Now what is the 10 to the power of minus 7? 10 to the power of 8.
10 minus 3.
This is also the 1 of 10 to the power of this is 2 only, 3 of so 10 to the 2 into 10 to the power of root 3. Okay, listen. So now it becomes 2 into that I can say 10 square is 10 into root 10. Root 10 is equal to how much? 3.2. So now 3 point that you can if you do calculation this becomes 20. 20 into root 10 is equal to how much? 3.2 already said it. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now this 6 decimal point is there. For this decimal point this already gone. So 64 answer.
20 root 10.
We should have to write. Root 10 value already given now. So the answer 64 is there. So somewhere we are reducing, somewhere we are adding. So what's our 12.0? I got how much is it? 12.2. I can have taken 12 only. If you won't accept, I can't do anything. So somewhere I am reducing, somewhere I am adding. See, if any student is not able to accept it, please try to understand. You can try after that you can accept the correct answer is correct only. There are 4 options are there. So both 1 and 1 option having small changes will be there. 0.2, 0.2 like these values. Then you can identify. Oh, you can able to either adding or I can say I am having 96 rupees. But is it 100? Yes, approximately 100 only. If you went to the shop vendor, then you are going to ask. So you are asking 1 kg sugar. So they say what you call to say 45 rupees. But you are having 43 there. Then you can ask your uncle, I am having 43 rupees. Then what is it? Okay, no, give no problem next time. Because it is not a corporate. If you go to the DMart, they don't accept it. Probably they give. Otherwise, I have to put my salary amount only. So, for generally local business people, if you go with the 45, you may have 43, you may have 42 also. Okay, no problem. These are rounding to nearer to the same value. That's why, well, calculation of 4 values, they are approximately with no need enough. Okay, so answer also 64 is there. Here also 64 is there. Okay, now all of you see that. Next, go to this one. Next problem. Right, sir. Do this value. So where you are moving charges the matter. So what are the value means? I want to simplification. You are 11th standard or 12th standard or 10th class or 8th class or I don't bother about it. You are right to do the calculation fast, that's all. So calculation once it is easy on all of you. That try to take R is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power of 27 into 2 into 10 to the power of 6 into sine 30 degrees whole divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into 0.104. Please simplify and tell the value. That's all. That's all. So there is the values. I'm not. This is not my own values. Understand? It's what radius of the path. So one or two times if you do the calculation, then by the you can do the calculation. By immediately seeing that, no, if you have a little bit practice on calculation, then our rank is confirmed for any aesthetic, either JMain or NEET or MSET, anything, or BITS Pilani, whatever it might be. Please tell the answer.
So approximately 1 into 10 to the power of 40.
Yes, sir. 1 into 10 to the power of?
40.
Right. 1 into 10 to the power 41. Sorry. According to this, okay. So 1 into 10 to the power of 41. Okay, now? Now, okay. All of you getting by seeing this one, I can cancel this 2. So by seeing this one, I don't want it. 0.1 I consider. So sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 cancel. So 0.1, nothing but 1 into 10 to the power of, this is a minus 1. I'll remove this one over matter. Now 10 to the power, this is go to top, this becomes plus 20. This is a 2 to the,
21 plus
this is a 6, no, plus 6, I did plus 6 or minus 6?
Minus 6.
Okay, minus 6. So that
21 plus 6.
oh,
26.
10 to the power of minus 6. Okay? Okay, if I see, I did a minus 6 by plus 6, what is the power is that? Minus 6 I have given. Right. So understood? Power. So you may have doubts, or 1.67 is there or no, you should have to make it to 1 decimal point over. See, 1.10104 is, make it 0.1, no problem. That's it. Understanding of calculations, sir, please. Now take this calculation. Okay, now all of you go to the next problem. Please give your answer, sir. 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 into 2 into 3.14 into I divided by 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Can you find the I? What is this I? Please find I. I is equal to. So don't need to write I is equal to formula. I is equal to expression anything. So from here you can simplify and get the value directly. No need of step. In object 2 we don't want any step. We need your answer. That's all. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 1.
Approximately
0.4 approximately.
0.4.
Yeah, anyone answer please? Harshini? Answer please. Okay. Now calculation part we are going to see here. This is a 10 to the power of what you call to say minus is there, minus 5 is there, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 is there. I'll take this fellow to top, this become plus 2. So then I'll cancel this 2, this one cancel. And 5 is there, I'll take, I need this fellow all to go to that is 2.12, okay, no problem. So I'll consider what you call to say 10 to the power of minus 1. So this will take to up here, this becomes cancel, this becomes 25. Now this is a 3.14 in there. So 3, no, approximately 3 is good, no problem. So then it is a 6. So by 6. Now 6, see 25 by 6, how much we are going to get? 6 4s are 24 and 0.2 we can take, or we can take 5 also take, no, with the denominator mode. So 4 is enough. 4. That's all. I is equal to 4. Correct one. I is equal to 4. 1 is there. So 10 to the 4. Correct one. Okay, that is correct one. That's it. Current I is equal to, you can say 0.4 ampere. 0.4 ampere. Still is going to reduce. Why? Because this is a 6.1 something. So it won't come 0.4. It comes 0.385 something. Instead of 0.4, why you have to say this is 6, more than 6, but you are considered 6, then we are 24 are taken, still is there. So that's why denominator values should be less than 4 have to come. So at 0.38 means okay, that's all. So, right. So 0.4 also correct, they will give 0.4, 0.5 means wrong. So below 0.4 or 0.4, then I can acceptable, right? Take this one. Alak okay na? So once you are observing the calculation, how I am going to calculate, you can understand. So if you want to steps means will take a time more time. But I am going to calculate shortcut methods. It won't take much more than 1 minute. That is the most important for the calculation purpose. So I need steps that and all means that is a slow way of understand explanation. Right now we don't want. Our students are going to write in May. May what time? May 4th exam. May 4th we are writing examination, please. Right, Nana? Right, sir. Take this one. F is equal to. So F is equal to values are given. Please take this value. 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 square root of 2 into 200 into 10 to the power of 6 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 27. Okay? Right, sir. Completely, these are under complete root only. Please tell your answer. Three point minus 11. So anybody answer your answers? So please tell your answers, Amma. I am not believing this answer is correct. You tell your answer, what you got. Right? Okay. So calculation part is, see this one, cancel. Now here is 2, 1, I can take 2 out, 1, 2 out. Now the powers, this is 10 to the power of 6, this is a 8. So this is a 8. So plus 8, next to plus 27. Then add all this. This is a 35, this is a 19. Now what you are going to get? A 6, this is a 1, 16. Yamaka? 10 to the power of 16. 10 to the power of 16 means how much you are getting? 8. 8, positive 8. Okay, sir, plus 8. Correct only. You are correct only. So, correct only. So, once 1 or 2 times if you see such type of problems regularly, then calculation will top, then you are 100% will get rank. So, all of you, I am going to say all of you, calculation shortcut methods is your rank. That's all. No, sir, I am doing morning to evening reading, doing no. So, what are the entrance examination is, need students completely 50%, more than 50% problems is there. Biology, physics, chemistry, 50% problems is there. Out of how many total questions? 180 questions. 180 questions, you are more, what you call to say, 90. In 90 or 80 questions, the problems are there only. 80 years, 70 years, like that. 70 problems are there. With the physics come chemistry. No sir, less 60 and is so 6 for the 20, 240 there itself is the calculations. Okay. Now nothing is there, sir. All of you know, so we are doing very well. So go to the next problem. There were 0.7. Please tell this value fast. Very simple. Now write, take this another value calculation. B is equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 500 divided by 2 pi into 0.1 into 0.5. Calculation. Fast.
I will get the power of minus 4.
5 10 to the power of? That's all. So it is taken for 10 seconds only. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇక్కడ ట్రై చేయండి. I already given many times how many people are doing that is, I left for them only, but if I say strictly means they will feel that is a problem. So you are going to the competition, please try to take 10 problems or 10 values or 20 values, write in plain on paper. The book you can maintain. So after writing, leave it half an hour or next day try. Next do the simple take that watch time. So 20 problems, how much time you could do? So 20 problems, this is not 20 minutes. 20 problems, we have to throw 10 minutes, then we are successful. Remaining you have to read no, question you have to read no. They don't give direct values. Next. So F is equal to 24 into 0.25 into 0.25 into sin 30 whole divided, no problem, whole divided by 0.12. 6
25 to the power of
minus
minus 2.
minus 2. Then you can say 6.2, no? Correct. Okay, no? Unless you got it, say answer, sound, it there or not? Can you tell the answer, please? Try to do Nana, no problem. Right. So, calculation fast, please. We need calculation part. Don't think that. Okay, answer is okay. Now, see here. What I am going to do here is remove the decimal point here. This is a 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2, it is a 2 1s are, 2 2s are, cancel. So I remove the decimal point. The decimal point means what you do. So this 2 decimal point is removed. Now 25 square is 625. So 625 over. Understood that? It won't take how many seconds? 30 20 seconds. It should not be 30 20 seconds is enough. Okay, good. See this one. Okay, Nana. Now, suppose B is equal to, they are given B is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 into 2 into 2.1 into 10 to the power of minus 25 divided by 10 to the power of minus 3 whole cube. Tell the value.
4 into 10 to the power of minus 5.
4 into
10 to the power of minus 5.
4 into 10 to the power of
Minus.
minus 5.
Yes.
Okay, right. Right, Anna? Right. So got it? Now, this only 2.21. So that goes to 4.2. No need to neglect that. So exact value there. So 10 to the power of minus 3 into 3, 10 to the power of minus 9. It will go to the plus 9. Then it will go to the 2. Then, so it's just minus plus 2. Then how much you are going to get? It is not a root. 10 to the power minus 23.
Minus 3 over 10 to the power of 5.
A to the power of n.
Yes.
A to the power of n. So you are written, I think, that's why. So that's why, please, no problem. That becomes minus 23. Okay, Nana? So 4.2, all of see here, this one. Right. Now take next problem. Take a last problem. No, see here. This one, final last problem. T is equal to 2 into pi into 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31, last problem, divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into 0.104. But options are below will be there. So they leave the pi as it is. They are not simply put a pi. Pi, they keep it with pi. Pi you have to keep it as it is. Nothing.
One point one five into the power of
1.15 to the power of.
minus 11.
Okay. So this is a okay. This is a 0.1. Look here. I am going to do here like this. So point that becomes minus 2. So this becomes 16 only. So 1.6, 0.1. That is minus 2. I put 16 and there. Now this is a 2 is there. Then 9 is. You can take a 9.
9
So 2 9 is 18. Okay na? 18 by 16.
9 by 8.
And 16 1 is 16. Remaining is 2. Sunna. 16 1 is 16. Chalu. So this is a pi there. Now powers you can take. This is minus, that is a plus 21.
10. Right.
So that minus, right? Now we'll stop now.